Hello everyone and welcome to Autopedia channel. Today we're diving into the future of electric SUVs with the all-new 2025 Smart 5, officially unveiled right here in Byron Bay, Australia. This isn't just another electric vehicle. This is Smart's most versatile and adventure-ready model yet. Let's check it out. At the world premiere, Smart introduced two special editions, the Summit Edition and the Premium Plus. These models are packed with features designed to tackle both city streets and unpaved roads with ease. From the sleek roof light bar to the electric trailer hitch, this SUV is built for those who love to explore. And with the Adventurer's Collection package, you get underbody protection, a roof carrier, side steps, and even a side ladder, making the Smart 5 ready for any adventure. Designed by Mercedes-Benz, the Smart 5 is all about combining style with functionality. The Smart 5 isn't just about looks. Its interior is packed with cutting-edge technology and luxury comforts that set a new standard for electric vehicles. The intelligent cockpit is equipped with a 25.6-inch augmented reality head-up display and a 10.3-inch Ultra HD LCD instrument cluster, bringing all the information you need right into your line of sight. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The Smart 5 isn't just smart in name, it's smart in performance too. With an 800-volt platform and a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, you can charge up to 70% in just 15 minutes. And with a range of over 740 kilometers, this SUV is built to go the distance. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new terrains, the 2025 Smart 5 is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. From its rugged yet stylish design to its luxurious and tech-packed interior, this SUV is ready to take on whatever adventure you have in mind. So what do you think of the all-new Smart 5? Is it the ultimate adventure SUV? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.